Hi, you guys. Welcome to week 2 of remote learning. I'm going to keep this video update as short and sweet as possible, so let me get my giant head off your screen. First thing you're going to want to do, just like last week, is log into your class on Schoology, whichever class that might be. So this week, your folder will be a different color, and it will say week 2. You will click on that folder, and just like last week, you will get a drop-down menu of everything that is available to you. The first thing you are going to see is this document. It'll say Stanford Sophomore English, April 13th through 17th, Stanford AP, either one of those. All right, so click on the first document, and it gives you basically the menu of items that you're in charge of this week. Everything's pretty much the same. We're just changing a little bit of the reading material. So you'll continue with your writing journal for 4 days this week. You'll continue with your reading log for 4 days this week. There is one new Newsella article, and then you have a couple pieces from Common Lit I'm asking you to read this week. And then you're going to take a practice Quizlet test over Units 9 and 10 and send me your best score. Your writing journal is laid out here in this section of the document. Don't forget the ongoing list of seeds that I will keep updated here. Watch those little blue hyperlinks, okay, guys and gals? You click those, and I keep adding stuff on there for you to, if you're stuck, all right? Because you don't want to write about the same things every day. Again, there's the sample writer's journal. Then I go back into the reader's log, 30 minutes a day for sophomores, 45 minutes a day for AP. Here's the sample reader's log here. And in this section, we have broken down for you the Newsella article that you need to read. The Common Lit article is uploaded into the folder as a PDF, and then you get to choose one of these 2 poems, either Mercy or The Rose. You get the PDF version out of the folder on Schoology, all right, and then you choose one discussion question to answer and answer the first 5 questions that are like the quiz-like questions. For Quizlet this week, you will be taking a quiz over Unit 9 and 10 vocabulary. That's a typo on my part, 9 and 10 vocabulary. When you are ready to take the Quizlet test over Unit 9 and 10 combined, get logged in. You'll click on Test, select Options, change the setup of the test to be 26 out of 26 questions. You can use all of the images. You can use all of the different types of questions. You get 2 tries. Okay, this is going to be on the honor system, okay? Screenshot your best score, and then you'll turn that screenshot in on your final Google Doc at the end of the week. To run you through that real quick, if you look here on Quizlet, when I log into Quizlet, mine looks a little bit different than yours, but I'm going to come here to Units 9 and 10. I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to click Test. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to select Options. Maybe. Hold on, I don't think it's letting me do it because, there we go. All right, so see how it says 20 right here? I just want you guys to answer all 26 questions. You can have written, matching, multiple choice, true and false, and yes, you can go ahead and show the images. I'm gonna have you answer with the term instead of the definition because that's easiest as well. Create new test. You go through this test, all right? You get 2 tries, one regular and one retake. Take a screenshot of both and just send me your best score at the end of the week. So again, at the end of the week, you guys will compile everything into one Google document. You'll give me the share link to your reader's log, the share link to your writer's notebook. Those are continuous documents. So technically, it's the same link you shared with me last week. Paste it in again, okay? You will share your Common Lit responses to the 1918 article and to the one poem of your choice. So there's those 4 things. And then you'll have your one screenshot. All right. Again, this will all be detailed to you on the in the folder. All right. Pay attention to those weekly breakdowns that are in there. Read the directions clearly. Watch this video again. All right, and make sure that you have got all of your bases covered. And if you still don't understand something after that point, then send me a quick email and I'm happy to clarify or make any sort of corrections that may need to get done. Okay, you guys? So again, 4 days this week, work for 4 days this week. So hopefully you can take Monday or Tuesday off this week and get the rest of your work done during the other days this week. So try and get some rest. I hope that you are safe and healthy and staying as sane as possible during all of this. And I can't wait to see your faces again soon. All right.